world where the internet has become
A bustling marketplace.
a new kind of gold rush has begun. This is the story of Alex, a digital pioneer in the quest for online wealth. Alex, a tech enthusiast, was always fascinated by the endless possibilities of the internet. One day, while watching videos on innovative ways to earn online, an idea struck like lightning.
With a clear vision,
Alex decided to venture into the world of affiliate marketing, aiming to guide others to products they would love, earning a commission in the process. Launching a blog and a YouTube channel,
sharing honest reviews and tutorials.
the content was rich, with valuable information, and soon,
A community began to grow. As the audience expanded,
so did the revenue.
Alex diversified.
Incorporating online courses and ebooks, tapping into the knowledge economy. But the true wealth was not just in the earnings, it was in the connections made. The lives improved, and the realization that with the right strategy, anyone could turn their passion into profit online. And so Alex's journey in the digital gold rush continues, inspiring others to explore the vast expanse of the internet, to find their own path to success, discover your digital potential. Subscribe for more stories and tips on earning online.